certainly the mining business has been, or the mining segment, right, has been the leading segment in Latin America for the last years. Since 2017, more or less, right, when the first networks were deployed in mining in Chile, right, all the way to very large deployments with Vale, for instance, in Brazil. So the mining segment has been leading deployments in 4G and 5G when it comes to private wireless. But several ports, so the maritime segment, right, has largely adopted both 4G as well as 5G across the region. Large manufacturing players, we have cases like Jacto and many other solutions that has been deployed across Latin America. And the agribusiness is a very interesting scenario, right? So for instance, Mato Grosso, the same region where Salinas Gold is represented, has deployed millions of hectares, or has connected millions of hectares, right? And there we've done also pretty interesting ecosystem work together with Conectar Agro, where industrial players, application players, universities, institutions, everybody comes together, cloud players, right? Everybody comes together in order to promote the most viable solution. Because at the end, it's not only about technology, right? But it's about the full ecosystem and the usability of the solutions. And of course, an additional player, right, or an additional segment that we've been seeing adopting private wireless solutions, the utility segment. In Brazil, for instance, for 150 megahertz has been assigned dedicated to utilities. And we see such movements in Argentina, in Chile, in Bolivia, in Ecuador. So many of the Latin American country utility players are now investing or looking at private LTE, right? Both to AMI, right, to automate measurement, as well for automating their field operations.